What's up YouTube? This is Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and today I would like to talk about this duplicate key, which is for my Honda Accord. It's an old car. It's a 98, and I got this made so I could carry it in my pocket. So the other day I lost my original key. I couldn't find my original key. I'd misplaced it, and I tried to start my car with the duplicate key. Now we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna start off with the duplicate key and show you what it does. So engine is on, and as you can see, the key light is flashing. Now observe what happens. So it just cranks and the key light, as you can see, is still flashing right here. And that's the issue right there, because if I just, all I have to do is take my original key, the one with the chip, this one, and observe what happens to the key light. So I stick it in and the key light goes off, and boom, there you go. So that's the issue with that you might be having with a duplicate key. So make sure when you get your key redone, it's the original one from a Honda dealer, or at least somebody who knows about chips and stuff like that. All right, this has been Victor on the Let Me Explain show. Have a beautiful one.